Hey there, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how you can find your rental information as well as why you might not be able to see it yet. In order to be able to view your rental information, you must first be connected with your landlord. Think of this as a social media friend request of sorts, and that your landlord must send you a connection request so that they can share your lease agreement information and invoices with you to establish a connection so you can pay your rent and submit maintenance requests online. If you have not yet accepted a connection request from your landlord, please reach out to them to send you a connection request. Once that has been accepted, then your landlord needs to share your lease agreement with you. They can also require that you e-sign the lease agreement during the process of sharing the lease agreement with you. Once you have accepted it and shared the lease agreement and/or have e-signed it, you will now be able to view the information regarding your rental by selecting the My Rental button from the left slide-out menu. Once you have selected this button, you will see your rentals, both previous and current, listed. Select View Rental Information on the card that shows active. Here you will find 4 different buttons along the top that will display various pieces of information regarding your lease agreement. The 4 tabs are Rental Information, which shows you your lease agreement summary. Lease Transactions, which shows you your accounting ledger for transactions both paid, unpaid, or partially paid. Renter's Insurance, which many landlords require. Even if they don't require it, you are able to get a quote and purchase it here. And the final tab is Utility Providers, which will show you the service providers that your landlord recommends for your rental property, such as cable, internet, gas, or electricity. For more details regarding your agreement, you can select the Rent button on the top left side menu to view more accounting ledger details. To create a maintenance request, or to just view the maintenance history, you can select Fix It button from the left side menu. To view your applications, both past and present, you can select the Applications button from the left side menu. To get a snapshot of your rental, any TC messages from your landlord, etc., you can simply select the Dashboard button from the top left side menu and you will show your summary of your entire rental. And that's how simple it is to view your rental information on TenantCloud.